Hey everybody, Ant here. Lately I've had a craving to make some ravioli, and it. Really? Anyway, I've had a craving to make some ravioli, and I thought, let's make some vegan beef ravioli. Come on. Now, a lot of what I'm about to tell you are things you should remember from the vegan bacon cheeseburger calzone video, including the beef analog, of course, nice and diced up, and the veg wash. Oh, and since we're making pasta, I already have a pot of salted water boiling right here. Speaking of that, this is our pasta dough. Pasta dough for ravioli is pretty simple. All that's in there is salt, flour, tofu, and water. Now, our dough is all rolled out. Cut into 8 rectangles or quadrilaterals, or actually, that one might be a trapezoid, or cut into 8 pieces. How about that? And now we're going to fill them with a little bit of homemade tomato sauce, also from the calzone video, and of course, the beef. Now, the reason why the filling is in the middle of each piece is because we're going to need a little extra room to press them closed. And, a few of them are leaking out a little bit, aren't they? Well, as a precaution, we're also going to crimp them closed. Finally, layer on the veg wash for a nice sheen. Now it's time to boil these bad boys. I like to put in 4 at a time. And the simple thing about ravioli is that you'll know it's done when it floats to the top of the pan. It only takes about 2 minutes. See? The other one should be floating up any minute now. Now, doesn't that look delicious? And as you can see, put the rest of the tomato sauce on here and sprinkle some parsley on top. Some people like to put cheese on top of theirs too. I don't think it's necessary, but if you think it is, have at it. Don't know why I got such a small fork, but actually, you know what? Technical difficulties. Here we are. I really don't know why it took me years to make ravioli again. Ravioli is very filling, and it is very delicious. And one other thing, ravioli may seem kind of intimidating to make, but you can actually make ravioli in 30 minutes or less tops. And that's gonna do it. And you know exactly where to look if you want to find the recipe for this. Thanks for being with me, and out. What? I said 30 minutes or less tops again? You're right, I did. Oh, don't worry, I can fix it. Take 2, okay? Now, ravioli may seem intimidating, but you can make... Who the hell ate my ravioli? I'll see y'all again soon. I should really get a deadbolt for this place.